go.
It's like right over there in Eastbourne or Eastbourne.
It's recording. Come on, Lightning.
Hold the hairdryer up and turn it on.
Yes, because we're on What Women Want. Oh, where is the son of a bitch? I'm recording for no apparent reason. Well, there better be some.
Like, come like right down there. Mine.
Oh, there's some over there.
Oh, was that?
Oh, I think I got it! Wait, there might be some more.
Did you get it?
I think.
Come from?
Oh, it's going on longer. I think I got that. Are we going? Come on.
Oh my god, turn the electric off.
Shut up.
Yeah, if Aaron's here, be like, everyone turn it off, lay on the ground, wrap yourself in rubber.
Oh, there's some over there.
Yeah, but the lightning doesn't look for somewhere to strike.
Look at her little bony arms. That's it.
Oh, turn your lights off, you gay car.
Oh my arm.
It's going on for well long. Maybe because it's like got no light or something, and it's just black.
So I'd film someone.
Come on, you son of a bitch.
Okay, you can hear everything.
I know. Holy shit! I think I got it. I think I got it. Oh my god! Okay, oh no.
I didn't see that, so I was going like that. And I was closing my eyes. Oh, look at Molly. Molly,
I think I got it.
that's it.